Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quick chicken noodle soup full guide. Start by gathering chicken, broth, noodles, aromatics, and a pot. Use pre-cooked or rotisserie chicken to save time. Sauté onion, carrot, celery, and butter until soft, add garlic briefly, then pour in broth and bring to a simmer. Add noodles and chicken, season to taste, and finish with fresh herbs for bright flavor. Trim fat and shred chicken finely to distribute flavor and improve texture, and save bones for a quick stock if you like. Use wide egg noodles for faster cooking and toss them in near the end to prevent overcooking. Cool soup quickly before storing, keep airtight containers up to 4 days, or freeze portions for longer storage, reheating gently to preserve noodle texture and flavor. Quick break, if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help support the channel. Quick recommendation, the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while cooking intense soups and avoids spills when stirring hot pots. I love its leak-proof cap and easy carry for kitchen timers and garden breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, now let's get back to the video. Finish soup with fresh herbs like parsley or dill to add brightness and herbal aroma that complements chicken. Add a pat of butter or drizzle of olive oil for silkiness and to meld flavors. For a creamy twist, stir in a splash of cream or a spoon of Greek yogurt while off heat to avoid curdling, and garnish with cracked black pepper and lemon zest for a lively finish. Serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.